If you've closed your Apple ID account and wish to reopen it, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have the necessary information ready before starting. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID account page. Go to the official Apple ID account page at apple.com. This is where you will manage your Apple ID settings and initiate the reopening process. Step 2. Sign in. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Follow the reopening instructions. Once signed in, look for any prompts or instructions regarding account reopening. Apple may provide specific steps or options to reactivate your account. Step 4. Verify your identity. You may be asked to verify your identity through security questions, email verification, or two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to complete this verification process. Step 5. Review and confirm. After verifying your identity, review any terms or conditions presented by Apple regarding the reopening of your account. Confirm your decision to reactivate your account. Once you have completed these steps, your Apple ID account should be reopened. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.